The silent word within, after a long and tiring journey within me, after crossing the ocean of 1,000 thoughts, after climbing the mountain of confusion and doubt, I finally reached the house of my beloved today. And there, like a child, I fell at his feet and asked, "Why have you stopped singing within me? What have I done? Why has your word grown silent inside me? You once sang like a koel, a cuckoo of divine sweetness, sweetening the very air with your song. Why are you angry with me, my beloved?" Tears flowed from my eyes, falling upon his lotus feet, begging him to return once more, to sing again within me as he always did.